Mastering real estate investing means unlocking powerful tools. And today, we're diving deep into Propstream to give you that strategic advantage. First, let's navigate to the heart of Propstream, the dashboard here. You'll see a map displaying properties you can zoom in and out, and use the search bar to pinpoint specific areas or zip codes you're interested in. The real magic happens with the filters. Click on the filter icon to access options like property type, owner occupancy, estimated equity, and even foreclosure status. Let's say we're looking for off-market single-family homes with high equity in a specific neighborhood. Simply select those criteria. Once your filters are applied, a list of matching properties will populate. Each entry provides key details at a glance, such as property address, owner's name, estimated value, and equity. Now let's analyze a specific property. Click on any listing, and a detailed information panel slides open here. You'll find property characteristics, ownership history, sales records, and even comparable properties. This is crucial for accurate valuation. The comparable sales section, often found within the property details, is your best friend for determining a realistic offer price. It shows recent sales of similar homes in the area, giving you a strong basis for your analysis. Need to reach out? Propstream allows you to easily export your filtered property lists to CSV files, perfect for direct mail campaigns or further analysis in other software. You can also use their skip tracing feature to obtain owner contact information. Beyond individual properties, Propstream offers robust market trend analysis, access charts, and data for median home prices, days on market, and inventory levels to understand the pulse of any real estate market. Don't forget to utilize the My Properties section to save your important searches and individual properties. This keeps your research organized and readily accessible for future reference and deal-making. By mastering these features, you're not just using a tool, you're gaining a significant edge in your real estate journey.